Hello all, in this video I'm going to solve the multiple choice questions from the CBSE class 10 standard math 2026 board paper. The question paper code is 30/1/3. Question 1. For any natural number n, 6 power n ends with a digit. Say n is 1, then 6 power 1 ends with 6. For n equal to 2, 6 square is 6 into 6, which is ending with 6. For n equal to 3, 6 cube is 36 times 6, which ends up with 6. For n equal to 4, 6 power 4 is 36 times 36, which also ends with 6. So for any natural number n, 6 power n ends with 6. The answer is B. Question 2. The graph of y equal to f of x is given. The number of zeros of f of x is. Now the curve does not intersect with x-axis. So the number of zeros is 0. Option A. Question 3. If a pair of linear equations in two variables is represented by two coincident lines, then the pair of equations has an infinite number of solutions. Option D. Question 4. The common difference of the AP root 2, comma 2, root 2, comma 3, root 2, comma 4, root 2. Let's take the second, which is 2 root 2 minus the first term, which gives us root 2. So the answer is A. If triangle ABC and DEF are similar such that 2AB equal to DE and BC equal to 8 centimeter, then EF is equal to. Since the two triangles are similar, the ratio of the corresponding sides are proportional. That is, AB upon DE should be equal to BC upon EF. It's also given that 2AB is equal to DE. From this we can get AB upon DE, which is 1 upon 2. So with this, let us equate BC upon EF to 1 upon 2, and BC is given as 8 centimeter. 8 upon EF is equal to 1 upon 2. So EF is equal to 16. So the answer is D. Question number 6. The midpoint of the line segment joining the points 5, -4 and 6, 4 lies on. To get the midpoint, x1 plus x2 upon 2, y1 plus y2 upon 2, which is 11 upon 2 and 0. Since the y coordinate is 0, which means that this point is on the x-axis. So the answer is option A. Question 7. Given that sine theta is equal to A upon B, cos theta is equal to. Cos theta is equal to square root of 1 minus sine square theta. So we have B square minus A square upon B square under the root symbol, which is root B square minus A square upon B. So the answer is option C. Question 8. If cos A is equal to 1 by 2, then the value of sine square A plus 2 cos square A is. Given that cos A is equal to half, sine square A is equal to 1 minus cos square A, which is 1 minus 1 upon 2 the whole square. That is 1 minus 1 by 4, which is 3 by 4. The expression that we have to evaluate is sine square A plus 2 cos square A. Sine square A is 3 by 4 plus 2 times cos square A is 1 upon 4, which is 5 upon 4. The answer is option B. Question number 9. The string of a flying kite is tied to a point on the ground. The length of the string between the kite and the point on the ground is 80 meters. The string makes an angle of 30 degrees with the ground. The height of the kite above the ground is. The string of the flying kite is tied to a point on the ground. The length of the string between the kite and the point on the ground is 80. So this is 80. The string makes an angle of 30 degrees with the ground. The height of the kite above the ground is. Let's name this as ABC. Since the hypotenuse and the opposite is involved, let's take the sine ratio. Sine 30 is equal to AC upon 80. That is AC is equal to 80 times sine 30 is half. So AC is 40 meters. The answer is option B. Question number 11. In the given figure, PA is the tangent from an external point P to a circle with center O. If angle POB is 125, then angle APO is equal to, that is this angle. PA is a tangent, OA is a radius. So the angle that these two makes at the point A is 90 degree. The angle AOP forms a linear pair with this 125 degrees. So which is 180 minus 125, which is 55. So now in triangle APO, we have two angles. One is 90, other one is 55. So angle APO is 180 minus the sum of these two, 35 degrees. The answer is option D. Question 12. Shown in the given figure is a circle with center O. The area of the minor sector is 7 centimeter square. The area of circle is, the area of the full circle is given by the formula pi r square. But what has been given to us is the area of the minor sector, that is theta upon 360 into pi r square is equal to 7. Now here theta is 30 degree. 30 upon 360 into pi r square is 7. So pi r square is equal to 7/12, which is 84 centimeters square. So the answer is option C. Question number 13. In the given figure, O is the center of the circle. XYZ is an arc of the circle subtending an angle of 45 degree at the center. If the radius of the circle is 32 centimeter, then the length of the arc XYZ is, the radius is 32. Length of the arc formula is theta upon 360 into 2 pi r. Since the given options have pi in them, let's not replace the value for pi. Theta is 45. 45 upon 360 into 2 into pi into 32. 45 eights are 360. So we are left with 8 pi. So the answer is B. Question number 14. The radius of a sphere whose volume is 36 pi centimeter cube is. Volume is given to us, which is 36 pi. Volume of sphere is 4 by 3 pi r cube, which is equal to 36 pi. Cancelling pi, 4 and 36. Then r cube is equal to 27. So r is equal to 3. Answer is option A. Question number 15. If the mean and mode of a data are 12 and 21 respectively, then its median is. The formula which connects the three central tendencies are mode is equal to 3 median minus 2 mean. Mode is 21 and median is what we have to figure out, minus 2 times 12, that is 3 median is 21 plus 24, which is 45. So median is 45 upon 3, that is 14. So the answer is option C. Question number 16. A die is thrown once. So the number of possible outcomes is 6. Probability of getting a number other than 3, that is 1, 2, 4, 5, 6. So the probability is 5 upon 6. The answer is option C. Question number 17. The HCF of 960 and 432 is 960, 432. Either you can do the prime factorization, get the factors, or do a division like this. After this, we cannot proceed with the division because 20 and 9 does not have a common factor. So the HCF is the product of all these numbers, 2 to the power 4 into 3, which is 48. So the answer is option A. Question number 18. The natural number 2 is a prime number. Question number 19 and 20 are assertion reasoning type. Question 19, assertion says the polynomial p of y is equal to y square plus 4y plus 3 has two zeros. So let's check whether that is true or not. Y square plus 4y plus 3. The discriminant d is b square minus 4ac. B is 4. 4 square minus 4 times a is 1 and c is 3. 16 minus 12, which is 4. So d is greater than 0. So there are two unique roots. So the assertion is true. The reason statement says a quadratic polynomial can have at most two zeros. That is also true. It can have zero solutions or two identical solutions or two unique solutions. So this is also true. But since the reason statement is not the correct explanation for the assertion, the answer is B. Question number 20. The assertion statement says the probability that a leap year has 53 Mondays is 2 upon 7. For a leap year, the number of days is 366, that is 52 weeks and 2 days. Let's check the possibilities for these 2 days. The possibilities are Monday, Tuesday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Thursday, Friday, Friday, Saturday, Saturday, Sunday, and Sunday, Monday. So Monday occurs in two places, MT and SM. So the probability is 2 upon the total possibilities are 7 in number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 2 upon 7. So this statement is true. Coming to the reason statement, the probability of a non-leap year has 53 Mondays is 5 by 7. For a non-leap year, the number of days is 365, which is 52 weeks and 1 day. Let's check the possibilities for this 1 day. It could be any one of these: Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. So the probability of getting Monday is 1 upon 7. So the reason statement is false since it says 5 upon 7. Since the assertion is true and the reason is false, the answer for this is option C. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel Math with Meenakshi for more smart learning videos.